Hi, I'm Jacob, and this is my review of the SimPure Y7P Countertop Reverse Osmosis Filter. I received this from the company in order to do a video review on it. This thing is awesome if you want clean, fresh, great tasting water without the hassle of installing a under-counter reverse osmosis or, going through tons of the refrigerator filters that don't really work. This thing does an amazing job, both taking out particulate as well as it'll do heavy metals, agricultural runoff, all types of stuff, so that you have clean, great tasting water. Let me go over a few of the features. So here, let me show you a close-up, but this is how you decide how much water to use. Flushing, you use it either when you're first starting out to flush the whole system, or it just goes until you stop. So if you want to fill up a big container, then you can do 6, 12, 8, 6, 12, 15, and then there's a reset button. But for example, I've got this 12-ounce glass, and just press the 12-ounce button, and then it is going to stay going there, and we'll fill it up exactly 12 ounces every time. It's quiet, it's quick. I don't know if you can see, but our water has tons of minerals and stuff in it. Normally this filters out all the particulate. We're on well water, works really, really well. Now, this is a 18-inch cabinet. They say to have at least 22 inches, but it will work underneath at the back. I'll show you in just one second, but you basically have a container here that holds 1.3 gallons of water, and you can still reach it even if it's this low. Or if you have a kitchen island and there's more room, all the better. But it does work even with a low setup. Now, to get these things started, all you do is you plug it in, and then you have to flush the new filters. You basically go through a few containers, 3 to 5, they say, of these. That takes a little bit, but it's not much work. It just takes some time to go through that much water. And then you're ready to go. It has a little stand that's removable and holds water. If you spill, you can put it there. Often we will just use a carafe or something like that. And then you can just press, the flushing and fill that up if you want to, which is super cool. So let me show you how you fill up the water. And if you need to replace it, it lasts for like 500 or 600 gallons, but then if you need to replace them, you can, no problem. So yeah, this thing is awesome. Here's how the water container in the back looks. Like I said, it's 1.3 gallons, so quite a bit of capacity. And this one actually produces, it doesn't have, I had a different one before this, and it had more wastewater because that's how these, RO filters work. This one also is cool. It just clicks up like that. When I have it under the cabinet, I can just have it partially up, so that's cool. And then this one's super easy to take off. It does have a handle. You can hear it'll click off when or it'll do these little noises when you take it off. But you basically then just fill this up. I'll sometimes put it on my sink, or I'll use a container, fill it up to the max level here, and then just set it back on. But just to show you, these are the two. It's a CF and an RO filter. And these ones are super easy. Like I said, I had a different one, and it was hard to replace these. These are available, so you can get new ones. After, 500-600 gallons, it'll show you when you need one. And then you just pull these up and click them out and click them back in. Super easy to replace. And then, yeah, so when you are ready to put this back on, you filled it, you always dump your water. I'm not doing it because this one still has some water in it, and you're ready to go. So I can't find my TDS tester right now, but I did a test earlier and it came out to like 10, which is nice for a RO filter. And you can see, I don't know if you can see just how clear this water is, and it tastes great. So if you are looking for a really, really nice countertop RO filter, you don't want to install one, do all that hassle, just want good tasting water, definitely recommend this one.